Are you trying to figure out whether Wave or ZipBooks offers better free features? You're in the right place. Stick around to get an honest comparison of these two popular software options, and by the end, I'll even share a better alternative that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about Wave's free features. Wave is known for offering a comprehensive suite of accounting tools without charging a dime. It includes invoicing, expense tracking, financial reporting, and even receipt scanning, features that many other paid software charge for. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it great for small business owners who want simplicity without compromising functionality. Next thing, Wave's invoicing tool stands out. You can create unlimited invoices, customize them, and send them to clients instantly. It also supports recurring invoices, which is a huge time saver for subscription-based businesses. However, where Wave falls short is in its customer support. If you're using the free version, you don't get access to dedicated customer service. That means if you run into any issues, you'll have to rely on their self-help articles or community forums. The third thing to note is Wave's limited integrations. While it does offer integrations with payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, the list isn't as extensive as other software in the market. This could be a deal breaker for businesses that rely on a variety of third-party tools. Now, ZipBooks, what about their free features? ZipBooks also offers a free plan with core features that most small businesses need. Like Wave, it includes invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. But the key differentiator is ZipBooks' easy-to-use dashboard that presents data in a way that's more intuitive for users who may not be well-versed in accounting. The fourth thing ZipBooks does well is its client management tools. In addition to invoicing, ZipBooks offers the ability to track customer communication and store customer data. While Wave offers basic invoicing and expense tracking, ZipBooks is a bit more organized in this respect. However, ZipBooks also has its drawbacks. The free plan doesn't allow for advanced reporting, which is a bit limiting if you want to dive deep into your business's finances. Plus, ZipBooks restricts certain features, like time tracking and project management, to paid plans, which might be frustrating if you need these tools for your business operations. So, which one comes out on top in the free features battle? Well, both Wave and ZipBooks are decent choices if you're looking for basic accounting tools, but they both have limitations when it comes to scalability, integrations, and customer support. Here's the thing, while these software tools are good, if you're looking for a more robust alternative to take your business to the next level, I have a recommendation. After trying out Wave and ZipBooks myself, I can confidently say that there's a better option that will suit your needs. If you're serious about managing your finances without the limitations of these tools, check out the link in the description below. With the exclusive offer for my viewers, you'll get the best free trial and additional benefits you won't find elsewhere. Take advantage of it and experience what the other tools just can't provide. So, to recap, Wave and ZipBooks both offer solid free features, but come with their own set of drawbacks. If you're after a more comprehensive solution with fewer limitations, don't miss out on the alternative linked in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it.